Apparently somebody.
Close. We have some oxtail.
It's just
Fishes.
it's kind of like cheddar.
So, we're about to cook up a scone. Stay tuned. Some fried chicken.
Maybe palm my leg look a bit, but it's alright.
We have green banana, scotch bonnet, potatoes. I mean, if you want to bring, but you know, if you want to bring it on the plane with you, you can bring it home. We're not going to cook it.
It good?
I'm sorry.
Just cook it.
We have goat belly here.
When we come back, you bring some.
Green banana, thyme. We have scale in the fridge already. So put live to wash and eat them. Oh, we forgot to carry the back home. Here's salt. We need that salt.
Then you can use like the browser. You can watch morning news. You can watch, you know,
Yeah.
turn on the news on your fridge.
It had the news, man.
Crazy. Oh, just now? Yeah, it's crazy. Very cool. Though.
Green season.
Yeah, the world is gonna be different, man. You know?
Bro, what happens when the robots are running around? People have not.
She dropped. She fell. She fell.
Season up on purpose, what is it?
You strong like that, remember?
Too much. Like I'm gonna use oxtail
Always you get
season.
more.
Oxtail stew. Sorry, come. It was open. Somebody open it.
I don't know.
It's not just regular meat season. It's an oxtail season, but we just open it and in a seal. So I'm going to ask somebody else for them open it because that ain't right. Are you opening the oxtail season? You open this? Yeah. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take over the world.
Scared me.
Everything is yours. Your eyes can see.
Flavor is that.
It's yours, Lala.
Then.
We have pulled out the big dogs.
Big dog.
All of these hex pad for her Mother's Day gift from her husband.
My husband. Oh my God.
So we're gonna.
And I know Pian.
I'm gonna be cooking the oxtail in one of them, and I'm using one of the knife.
This is a real man.
So, go on, unbox the thing, girl.
Yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, guys. Okay, so okay. These are the knives.
There's a floaty, but I don't think we have.
You see that? What does this say? A good chef is only as good as their knives.
Ooh.
From Gordon Ramsay. Okay. Ready? Y'all
Yeah.
ready for this?
Oh my gosh, I
You
cannot.
ready for this? All right, all right. Oh, there he is too. The man of the moment.
What happened?
She was talking about her good up, man, and then it come true, so yeah.
What else for them?
Wow, you see that?
Yeah. Yeah, guys. You see this? Have Marcy, what kind of pot is this one?
It's a
Oh,
walk.
it's a wok.
Crazy, right?
Mm.
Oh, wok.
Yeah.
For love.
This is so amazing.
Where did you get this?
Okay, let's go to this one. Let's see what's in this. Chicken Alfredo today. One walk?
Yeah, and I don't know.
Then okay.
Where.
Yeah,
One
nice
walk,
shot.
then what do we do?
And then if you know what you're in a shot.
We just give it last time I had to give it to her. You know the chicken that whole.
There we go. Hi. The chicken fryer lid.
I do want it.
Yeah.
I want one as well. Let's see. The
Everybody
chicken
wants
fryer lid.
one. I like the color of this too. Very elegant green. You know. Oh, it has like that.
I'm sorry. It's okay.
It has it?
It's just a little cold. I'm sorry. It's okay. I didn't realize you didn't have on it before you went.
Gordon Ramsay.
Oh,
I got me a
I'm
good.
sorry. I'm so sorry. Is what you call a chicken fryer. Hex that from Gordon Ramsay. What? Oh my God.
You live 30 minutes away.
What you got?
It's like Gordon.
Pot. I think this is the pot for the 8-inch lid that I just unboxed. Okay, guys, this is a 10-inch.
I'm on time, Grandma.
Kitchen look good again.
She get stuff like that. Like red.
And then this is the 8-quart pot for the best rice and peas, right? Rice and peas? Rice and peas, maybe.
It's also a universal drink. You know. It's kind of like, which one?
The Mountain Dew.
Oh, I didn't know that. I got it because that's what we had earlier. Daddy said it depends on this side, not the sweet side. But you don't have
What?
gold.
Now let's send this after the season the gold. Cause we don't
Where you going?
we don't have
Just wonder.
Okay, look at this. We'll see them first. Cause them have limited stuff out in here. They barely have no pots.
I want a tiny ice cream piece.
Some meat seasoning.
Target have what? Ice cream cake.
Big targets too.
Ice cream cake? No.
Then I cut up the season that we need garlic to cut up.
There's because I've been wanting to practice this new art style.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I could have told me like this like a little
I go there.
They come for the shit.
So,
Yeah, cut up the seasoning then.
me look for me sugar chicken something that we have.
sugar.
Sorry.
Oxtail in process.
Sizzling with sizzling.
Head bust up and smiling.
Yeah, man, cause them big a hole for weight left in my job.
And I saw him did I drop from. The but
So they make almost $10 profit per pound. Ain't that crazy?
Let me chop. Let me cook.
Let her cook, let her cook. Get your daddy tongues.
Big yam,
Big yam.
Some good boy, take one of the whole cook. Well, what did I say? I buy hotel. Catching up with the cheese and then buy it. But we don't know what to rent.
Done? So what I'm gonna do is put the oxtail in the oven because we need space to cook and we're running out of pots. So I'm gonna put this in the oven and let it braise. Alright, so the oxtail is in the oven cooking, and I have the rice and peas going on. We're doing gungu. Okay. Well flavorful. Only thing we don't have is some pimento.
Cherry, you want to say it?
Yeah, the oxtail is getting there.
You want to say it taste and put the final touch on it?
About 30 more minutes.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna add some more seasoning and give it about 30 minutes and it's good to go.
Who said that?
My sisters.
They haters, man.
I don't funny.
I'm gonna have to pop
They
them.
send me Isha Panya and a mummy instead of you outside. Well, that's all like me not do nothing, right?
But you understand? They're just jealous,
Talk
baby.
with Michaela.
They're just jealous. I know, baby. Hey, remember I said edit that video there.
The what?
The one that know we are talk. All of the people can you remember?
Alright, cover it up. Okay, the oxtail is ready. Just gonna leave it in the oven to go down a little bit, but it's nice and tender. There's a bean in it. 2 cans of bean, a matter of fact.
No, goat or snapper?
Good.
And we got goat and we got snapper.
Invention full pot.
You see this? You see this? Yeah. Why y'all know about that?
They don't know nothing about that.
Nothing, you know? You gotta be a real country girl. You know what I mean?
Offer a new place from any place with just a single click. Apartments.com. Any place to find a place.
Rack into it.
What's in
This mix CD is mixed.
So I have fried chicken, finishing up right here. Fried fish, escabeche. We have no chef? Chef too.
Number 2 one. It's 2. No play 2. Straight 1. Chef 1 and chef 1.
Hold on, I need the cinematic for this.
Pasta.
Chicken noodle.
Huh? Oh, you want to be cut up? You want to just fry them in that chicken same way? Let's skim out it and want to pasta.
Can I make a chicken eye?
Oh. You never deep fry stuff and just bam it in fry and eat.
Okay.
You fry everything. No, I don't want to go over there. I don't want to melt this up.
Yeah! Kai Kai. What happened?
Okay. That's why I want her to sit.
Some person on the food then. This is my plate.
Oh, you're here? Oh my goodness. What's up? Oh, when you're the bank could dine in.
She knows that we are Jamaican, man. Okay. Huh? Yeah. She gone at the airport with can drop her
She got
friend
at the airport with somebody.
This is my plate. Both of them. Don't judge me.
Yeah, more like a first one, kind of. Yeah.
People who eat curry should left my bone in the airport, you know, they should just stuck to their curry gold.
Not true.
You never get no access, you can't get piece of mine.
When we get up, come have this also. Because I didn't touch it. You can have some more.
You really want to know what?
I didn't
Baby, I don't know, show no.
I didn't even touch the food. Look.
Where's the Imani? Food turn up.
Turn up.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jamie. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. If I eat in the beach, we are going tomorrow. That worked out perfectly. Yeah, but
It says it on the cake. What? Y'all, thank you for this. What?
to you. Happy birthday, dear Aria. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now?
30.
How old are you now?
3.
Happy birthday to you. Woo!
One more time.
Woo!
Yeah.
I first listen to somebody change from crying to smile.
Ready, guys?
One,
Auntie Crystal. Smile.
2,